Thutha wa Ndugamano ya thiku igiri gatagati ka Mbunge na ministry ya kigina iguru rigi gucerithirio gwa kigina kia Ng-Cdf, riu ambunge ni mambite kurugamia kwa ihinda ithugunda riao ria kuhagura minister wa kigina Professor Njuguna thutha wa mutaratara wa kurekereria kigina giki kuiguanirwo.
We have had now a good plan from the Treasury on how this money will be disbursed, and what the members were asking is not on their own behalf. It was on the behalf of the people they represent that we have sorted amicably, and the Treasury have given a very clear plan on how this will be done.
So what we would like to do, we would like those funds to be released so that in going back home with our respective committees to ensure that now children are given those checks, they go back to school.
Ndugamano eno ikinyira muthia thutha wa speaker wa Mbunge ya Kiburi Moses Wetangula kwithuria ciringi birioni 4 niirikitie kurekererio matina-ini meri ira na umuthi.
It was not a small issue, and I think members coming together and saying we need to have a resolution before we move forward was actually the right thing to do.
Iguru wa uguo muigana wa ciringi birioni 2 ni ikarekererio muthenya wa rucio uguo ari kuga kiumia-ini giki ambunge megukorwo mamukirite birioni 6.
Can confirm that we have received yesterday 2 billion, and today we have received another 2 billion. So next week they have given a promise that we shall get another 2 billion on Tuesday.
Up to Tuesday, each constituency will get on average about 34-35 million per constituency. And the Treasury has again committed to be releasing 2 billion there every week thereafter until the entire amount is released. So that will be up to the end of May.
Muthenya wa ira ambunge magana meri nimarang'athiirie cikaro cia kumenyithanio na kamiti cia mbunge makienda giikaro na CS Njuguna Ndung'u gutariria gitumi gia kwaga gutia kiraniro gia kurekereria kigina giki ihinda-ini riria riagiriire.
They had issued a letter that was saying that we will be receiving 2 billion every single week. By now, we could have received a total of 16 billion.
The bare minimum for bursaries to be disbursed in a common constituency like Kiharu or any other is around 35 million per constituency. So we are aiming to achieve that very soon so that we support parents.
No na gukire uguo ministry ya kigina irio gitiringi-ini kia ambunge thutha wao kurugamia kwa ihinda mihango ya kungania thairi cia kuhagura Professor Njuguna undu uria ambunge maugite matitianiire agikorwo ndegutia wiguano uyu.
Members were actually talking and saying that in the event that we don't get any response, what should we do? And some quarters were talking about impeachment, others were talking about other ways of trying to solve the stalemate. But now that it is over, I don't think there's anything anymore like impeachment.
Kuma kubo kwa bunge ya 13 nditimurano ya kugitira kigina kia Ng-Cdf nogo yambiriirie o nginya ambunge magitobora kugitira gutunyukithio kigina giki. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.
Sawa, haina shida.